Hello and welcome back to my classes. Guys, today we have a special topic for discussion in our channel Inspired with Anushka. So, guys, the topic for today is water pollution. So, we will discuss about today what is pollution and what are water pollutants. So, guys, let's start the video. For big cities, river or lakes are the sources of water. In the last few decades, the quality of water in many rivers and lakes has deteriorated and has become unfit for the human consumption. This is called what? This is called the water pollution. The main reason for the pollution of water is our river and lakes are discharge of untreated domestic sewage into the river and lakes, discharge of toxic industrial waste into the river and lakes, excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides in the agriculture, and the contamination of water bodies with the toxic metals such as lead, arsenic, cadmium, mercury, nickel, etc. So these presence of pollution such as acid, alkaline, dyes, etc. made the water colored, foul smelling and bad in taste. So these are all about the water pollution. Water pollution has reduced the availability of clean water for the use of mankind. Guys, water is the primary necessity of the life. It is being put to various use of the man like the cooking, drinking, bathing, disposal of sewage, irrigation, generating electricity in the power plants, cooling and manufacturing different products in the industries, and disposal of the industrial waste also. During all these processes, the undesirable substances are added to the water source to such an extent that 70% streams of the river in India contains the polluted water. Guys, the water pollution degrades the quality of water and make it unsuitable or undesirable. Water pollution destroys the balance of the ecosystem and harms the plant, animals and man. Guys, the sources of water pollution are maybe divided into two, that is natural and man-made. So natural processes are the soil erosion or lacking of minerals for rocks and decaying of the organic matter that are the some of the important sources of water pollution from the natural side. And the man-made or the artificial reasons for the water pollution are community based water and the industrial influences. The minimum amount of waste are discharged in the nearby rivers or the stream through the flush line fractures. The textile, sugar and the fertilizer factories, wild refineries, synthetic plants for the manufacturing of drugs, rubber, plastic and rayons fiber, the paper industry and the chemical factories all produces the chemical pollution. The community includes the discharge of the homemade domestic sewage into the public sewage system, and sewage contains the human and animal feces, nitrogen and discharge and domestic bases, that is food residue or cleaning agent, detergent and other things. It is rich in the bacteria and organic substance and also contains the other biological pollutants. So bacteria decompose the organic substance of the sewage, causing the depletion of oxygen control, and this decreased amount of oxygen inside the sewage creates the toxic substance such as ammonia and nitrogen. The polluting strength of the water is characterized by its biological oxygen demand, that is minimum amount of oxygen required for the organism present in the water. Guys, agricultural sources are also responsible for the water pollution. With the use of high yielding variety of crops, plants increase, the fertilizer has become essential. So the excess amount of nitrates used as the fertilizer seeps into the groundwater on and carried into the lakes and pond. On entering the drinking water, this creates the several health problems. Pesticides also cause the water pollution. It includes the insecticides, fungicides, nematicides, rodenticides, herbicides, and soil fumigants. These includes the chlorinate, hydrocarbons, organophosphate, metallic salt, carbonate, and thiocarbonate, acetic acid, etc. Many particles are non-biodegradable and these residues have a long time. This mainly includes the organochlorino compounds. They passes through the food contains and accumulates in the fatty tissue. Thermal power plants also creates the water pollution. Power plants of the nuclear power stations are the main source of the thermal pollution of water. In these plants, water is used for the cooling of the hot thermals. In these plants, water is used for cooling the becomes hot. The hot water is released back into the which creates into the rivers, which creates the rise in temperature of the water body. This rise in temperature kills the fishes and other aquatic animals and increase the rate of respiration in the aquatic plants. Silt pollution, dust and dirts. These are accomplished from the soil. Loam and sandy soil contains silt as predominant components. Silt is carried with the water and through the irrigation channel, and deposit of silts changes into the rivers. Caused to the change in the river's path, it affects the adversity to the aquatic life. Marine pollution. All pollution are ultimately discharged into the marine sea. Marine ecosystem lacks the decomposition of dispersal capacity. The other sources of marine pollution are navigation discharge of the oil, grease and petroleum products, detergents, sewage and garbage including the radioactive wastes. These radioactive isotopes enter into the body of the aquatic life and such as fishes, turtles, mollusks and etc. When man consumes the affected aquatic animals, these isotopes then comes into the body of the man, causing the many disorders of the body. Minerals and oils are also creating the water pollution. Oil and oil splits washing the automobiles finds its way into the river water through the sewers. So guys, this is all about the topic of the water pollution. Hope you have understand that what water pollution is exactly and what are the sources or pollutants that creates or causes the water pollution. So guys, for the next details of this topic, that is harmful effects of the water pollution and the prevention of water pollution, for that you can catch me in the next videos. Guys, thank you so much for your view, and if you have liked this video, then please press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your love and attention and concern towards me.